Mike, and he's wild and crazy, and we are going to do something fun on this fishing boat. We've already caught an 11.5-inch fish, so now there's nothing left to do except do this. So, here we go, Mike. Are you ready? Are you ready, cowboy?
Yeah, you ready?
All right, here we go. Watch this. That was cool.
You having fun?
Up faster? Do it again? I don't know.
Again?
You're asking an awful lot.
You go on the high side?
You met your match.